How to add sound effects in KineMaster. First of all, open your project in KineMaster and tap on the audio icon from the media panel. Next, you will see different options like music, SFX, and recorded audio. Tap on the SFX section to explore the built-in sound effects KineMaster offers. Now scroll through the available categories or use the search bar to find a specific sound. You can preview any sound by tapping the play button next to it. Once you find the sound effect you want to use, tap the plus button to add it directly to your timeline. You can then drag it to position it perfectly under your video clip. If needed, trim or adjust the sound effects just like any other media clip. You can also layer multiple sound effects to match different scenes and use the volume controls or fade options to fine-tune the audio. If you have your own sound effects, you can tap on Songs and navigate to the folder where your custom SFX files are stored. Then add them the same way. Now you know how to add sound effects in KineMaster. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.